Nigeria content creators, once they get visa, carry their bag, run enter the country, drop their bag inside house, they don't come out. Hey, how you can travel to Australia? How you can travel to Japan? How you can travel to New Zealand? How you can travel to UK? How you can get permanent resident? How you can get passport? How you can bring in this? How you can do this? How you can do that? How you can do this? I'm gonna take them easy. You people should take it easy. Now they cast many updates. Now they make these people see how desperate we dey to leave our place, won't go abroad. Nobody tell you make you no do content. You can do other content, lifestyle content. You talk good about that country, you show places. There's so many places you can show. Even if you want to talk sometimes, you talk in our own local language. If you talk for pidgin English, you miss up some key keywords where you're supposed to use. You interpret them, make you know really use that English language, you understand, so that most of them no go understand what you are saying. Because sometimes these people, they also watch all these videos where would they post. Now go begin the talk how you fit apply for this, how you still apply for this. Then people will be commenting, comment section. They go through all those things. And then they make all these things very difficult for people. People go they comment, please help me. Let me see when I get power to even help these people. Now just that comment, we could tell ourselves the truth. Now that comment when they find, so they get this social media peanut money. Now what they find? Let me see when I won't help all those people come into that country to get the visa. No do na handle, because some of you still they struggle. Some of you go there, go seek asylum. Some of you didn't even get documents. Some of you still they find a way to stand on your feet for that place where you just run go. But no, we're not going to tell people truth to say they suffer. Also, relocating to a place does not just guarantee immediate financial breakthrough. In a process, you must face the challenges at the first beginning. We're not going to tell people how it be, the struggle where they when you leave your country to travel somewhere else. We're not going to begin to tell them, do this, go to comment section, follow this link, apply for this, knowing too well that it's not possible to get those kind of job. When you are in Nigeria, it's not possible. All those kind of job, all this job site, it's not possible. How many of people don't they Nigeria apply and get direct contract from Nigeria? Just to generate comments, share, like, go use and they cast a lot of things. Then these people they put eye for people with that side. Can they make their rules they more tougher? Once they don't run like this, go to the country, drop back, bam, drop back. They don't advise. You don't see that person don't become ambassador to issue visa for people who go relocate. So many ignorant people will not sabi anything. Please help me, I want to come inside, or help me bring my husband, or help me this, or please. Nobody is helping you at the end of the day. These people, they are not. These people, they are helpless. They can't help you for anything. Now content they are creating, they are just creating content. Now that you like, and that you share, and that you comment, then they want. They know they help you anything. Go and make proper research. Make a proper research if you want to travel. How to get visa. Write to embassy, call the embassy, make a proper research. Everything is on the system. The thing be sooner too, they rely on agents, shortcuts. Now what do they rely? And that's why people are collecting money every time. They keep duping you people, collecting money from you people, because you cannot make proper research. You don't know the actual source to get rightful information. No. Their information depends on somebody's limited messages and under comment section. Even those people that is giving you those information, they don't even know anything. Most of them don't even know anything. They don't even know how the system over there is even working. They'll just after saying all the blah 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 rubbish they are talking, they will tell you go to comment section, comment, do this. When I go they please help me, I want to do this, I want to how far. I said they go collect to the money one after the other. When I go they open small.